Hey there! Have you ever asked Siri for the weather, binge-watched Netflix recommendations that feel like they read your mind, or had your phone suggest the fastest route home? If so, you've already experienced the magic of AI in your daily life. But what exactly is this AI everyone's buzzing about? If you're an average person like me, maybe juggling work, family, and that endless to-do list, this video is your perfect starting point. Welcome to the first episode of our AI Essentials series, where we'll break down artificial intelligence in simple, relatable ways. No tech jargon overload, just real talk to help you understand and stay updated as AI evolves. Stick around, by the end you'll see why AI isn't just for sci-fi movies, it's reshaping your world right now. Let's dive in. First things first, AI stands for artificial intelligence. In simple terms, it's technology that lets machines mimic human smarts, like learning from experience, solving problems, and making decisions. Think of it as giving computers a brain to handle tasks that usually need human thinking. It all started back in the 1950s with scientists dreaming of smart machines, but it's exploded recently thanks to massive data and powerful computers. Today, in 2025, AI isn't some distant future. It's here, powering everything from your fridge to global economies. Fun fact, the global AI market is hitting around $244 billion this year, and it's set to grow to over $800 billion soon. That's bigger than some countries' economies. But don't worry if that sounds overwhelming. AI comes in flavors. Narrow AI does one thing super well, like playing chess, while general AI, think human-level thinking, is still mostly in labs. We're mostly dealing with the narrow kind in daily life. Okay, let's keep it relatable. Imagine teaching your dog a new trick. You show it examples, reward good behavior, and over time, it learns. AI works similarly through something called machine learning. Computers crunch huge amounts of data, think billions of photos or conversations to spot patterns and improve. For example, when you upload a photo to social media, AI tags your friends by recognizing faces from past data. No magic, just smart algorithms getting better with practice. And get this, in 2025, 78% of companies are using AI in at least one way, boosting worker productivity by up to 66% on daily tasks. That's like squeezing an extra day into your week. Tools like generative AI, which creates text or images from prompts, saw $33.9 billion in investments last year alone. Ever use ChatGPT to draft an email? That's generative AI in action. Now let's make this personal. AI is sneaking into your routine more than you think. Take your morning. Your smart alarm wakes you based on sleep patterns analyzed by AI. Then, as you scroll social media, algorithms curate your feed, showing puppy videos if that's your vibe, to keep you hooked. At work, email filters zap spam before you see it, and tools like auto-suggest in documents save you typing time. Shopping online? Amazon's recommendations are AI predicting what you'll love next based on your past buys. Health-wise, AI apps track your steps and suggest workouts, or even help doctors spot issues in scans faster. And don't forget entertainment. Netflix uses AI to suggest shows, keeping you glued for just one more episode. Even in your car, features like adaptive cruise control or voice navigation are AI making drives safer and smoother. Robot vacuums? AI mapping your home to clean without bumping into furniture. See? AI isn't futuristic, it's your invisible helper, making life easier without you even noticing. So why should you care? AI boosts efficiency, creates jobs in new fields, and solves big problems like climate modeling or drug discovery. But it's not all sunshine. Concerns like job displacement, privacy issues, and ethical biases are real. For instance, if AI learns from biased data, it can make unfair decisions. That's why regulations are ramping up in 2025. The key? Stay informed. This series will cover it all. Next time we'll dive into how AI learns, machine learning basics, and simple ways you can try it at home. If this sparked your curiosity, hit like if AI has ever saved your day, subscribe for more episodes, and comment below. What's one AI tool you use daily? Let's chat.